Ever seen a Lego build that actually walks like a living creature? Well, this one genuinely feels alive. A six-legged, motorized LEGO Technic walker has just shown up on LEGO Ideas, and honestly, the way it moves is weirdly satisfying. It's made entirely out of regular Technic beams, gears, and connectors, yet it strides along with a smoothness you'd expect from a real robot. The creation comes from a French builder known as Alexis_MOCS_FR, and the concept is a planetary exploration rover, complete with a crew cabin, solar panels, and even a satellite dish, like something astronauts would actually use on another world. What's really surprising is how simple the power system is. The whole machine runs on just 2L motors. That's it. Those motors feed into a cleverly designed gear network that controls all 6 legs at once, so each leg doesn't need its own motor or complicated electronics. But here's the genius part. The legs automatically adjust their speed while walking. The moment a foot touches the ground and starts carrying weight, it slows down so the walker keeps a steady pace. Then, when the leg lifts off, it speeds back up and swings forward in a wide arc of roughly 60 to 70 degrees. The result is a constant, flowing motion, more like an insect or animal walking than the stiff, clunky stepping we usually see from LEGO walkers. Each foot also has a sliding piece at the bottom that keeps it flat against the ground as the leg till reminds and rotates. There aren't any complicated linkages doing this. It's all achieved through geometry and clever angles. On top of that, every foot includes its own little shock absorber. That means when it steps onto uneven surfaces, or even over something like wrinkled cloth, the impact is softened and the walker stays stable and quiet instead of wobbling around or tipping over. Another thing that makes this build fun to watch is that all the mechanisms are exposed. You can literally see every gear turning and every connection moving, almost like watching the inside of a transparent mechanical watch. The color scheme helps too. White body panels over a black structure, blue solar panels, and a raised cockpit that easily fits 2 astronaut minifigures. Despite looking delicate, the whole frame is surprisingly lightweight, while still strong enough to handle the forces created by its own movement. Right now, the project is sitting on LEGO Ideas, trying to reach the 10,000 supporter votes it needs for an official review. And honestly, if you ever spent hours with LEGO Technic or Mindstorms trying to make something walk properly, this build feels like a reminder that you don't always need complex programming. Sometimes clever mechanical engineering alone can turn a pile of plastic bricks into something that feels almost alive.